here with another Unity quick tip video. Today I'll be using the Winter Caterpillar Cuttlebug by T.R. Jackson. And first I'm going to create a mask. And I'm just gonna fussy cut this out real quick and I will be right back to show you what we're going to do with it. You can see that I'm not really worried about the antenna or the top of the earmuff thing, just because they're going to get colored over and not too worried about it. I'm just taking off a little bit of stick from my adhesive runner and I'm going to place that on. And now I'm going to be using Tumble Glass Distress Ink by Tim Holtz. And the lighter the hand, the better. You can always go darker, but you can't go lighter is my key. So starting on top of the mask, I'm going to flick the color out and using a little bit of a heavier hand at the bottom and going lighter as I go to the top. It's a really fun technique and it gives your card that little extra pop. I'm just gonna check it here real quick. Nope, not yet. There we go. I'm just adding in the last amount of color that I think that it might need. This technique is a lot of fun and it gives your card that little pop, like I was saying. Really brings a card to life. And just starting in the middle and going out a little heavier now. That way I don't get the circle lines that sometimes we can get. And there you go. Cute, right? Just gonna glue down my cute little Cuttlebug caterpillar to my card. Adding the sentiment, and now I'm going to put on some stickles. The stickles that I'm using is Stardust. It's such a pretty color, and I'm just using it on the snow right around the bottom. Here's my Jelly Roll pen that I'm going to add just a few dots to the cheeks. I love adding dots. They're so fun. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Come again. Bye.